Hi guys, Mark Anthony here. If you're doing affiliate marketing on Facebook, then you need a steady flow of leads into your pipeline. Now, it doesn't matter what you're promoting because the same rules apply. So part of your day has to be set aside for making new friends, but not just anyone will do. Targeted people who may be interested in your core offer. Now, most affiliate marketers know that the best place to find leads is Facebook groups, but you have groups in just about every affiliate marketing niche possible, so it's a natural place to start. But everything is not so straightforward with this method of lead generation. So in this tutorial, I'll try and offer you some clarity and show you what has worked for me with groups and other options. Now, every affiliate marketer has their own strategy. Some don't share it, and that's fine, but hopefully mine will help you build your pipeline and fill it full of targeted leads. Now, getting pre-leads on Facebook is not hard, and to be honest with you, it's not my favourite part of Facebook affiliate marketing, but it just has to be done. See, if your content engagement does start to slow down, it's generally because it's all being shown to the same audience. So you need to add 20 to 20 good leads to your pipeline to freshen everything up and do that every day. And here are some of the best ways you can do that. So let's jump into the computer and try and unravel a lead generation problem so many marketers have. Okay guys, so here we are in Facebook groups, and I'm not sure if you did know this, but the best groups to find leads is buyer groups. So these are basically people who's already invested, they've already spent money in the space, and there's no reason why they wouldn't spend money again just to try and be successful in whatever they're doing. So you can see a good example here with ClickFunnels. These are all private groups. ClickFunnels have their own private group, like ClickFunnels Official. They have a ClickFunnels public group, but for all those who are members of ClickFunnels, they will be in a private group because anything of interest will be posted in their tutorials and everything else. They can contact probably other members in the group. But that is where you'll find these official groups like ClickFunnels. These are all the buyer groups who's actually invested. ClickFunnels Public is for general people who is generally interested in ClickFunnels but are not actual clients of ClickFunnels. So if you've been in a group, something like ClickFunnels, or you're still in a group, this is a great place to find leads. It's the same with things like Legendary Marketer. This is the Legendary Business Blueprints. So you got to have invested at least, I think it's like $2,600 to get in this private group. So you can imagine all these people in here are really serious about their business, and they've invested a lot of money, and there's no reason why they would not invest again just to be successful. As you can see, this is a private group. Now, what you can and can't do in these groups, what I generally do is go inside these groups and I will look at the posts, and if it's somebody having a problem, I would do an answer to that post and give somebody guidance. What you can't do is poach people from these groups. If you do, you'll be kicked out of the group. So, no, as you can see here, actually, Legendary Blueprints, keep it positive, peer-to-peer help, no promos, you can't promote anything, and no lead gen. So you cannot poach people from these groups, and they'll just boot you out. They just don't need it. So they're very, very strict on something like that. But inside you've got 23,500 members of people who have spent $2,500 plus, maybe more. So maybe I spent $5,000. It doesn't really matter. But they've invested, serious investors. So obviously these are good leads. So what I do with this, I would post good content in these groups, and you'll get people who are commenting on mine, think, oh, that's great advice, something like that. And then when somebody does comment on my post, I will add that person as a friend. I'll put a friend request in to that person, and if they accept, hopefully they'll match the two up with me in the group, and if they accept my friend request, now I can put my content in front of theirs. I'm not breaking any rules, but only if they engage on my content. What I don't go in here is add friend, add friend, add friend, add friend. That will not work, and the chances of you accepting your friend requests are quite low. So you need to do the engagement in these groups, give some value before you get anything back. Looking at general groups on Facebook, not the best. If you're looking for maybe high ticket affiliate marketing, you'll see these public groups. Now, public groups are not the best groups. Private groups are always better, lower in numbers, but more targeted. So let's have a look at these groups. And a lot of these groups, there'll be no engagement for a long time. Let's just have a look. This is August. So we're missing a week or so on here. Maybe nearly 2 weeks. There's been no content added. And the problem with these groups is you'll find a lot of people who join these groups that basically, can I say, they've maybe pinched profiles, and when you look at the people in the group, they've got no content. They got no content, and you think, well, say I'll see people that's new to the group, and you may think that's okay, but when you dig deeper, you will see that there's hardly any content on their profile, and that tells me that they're not serious at all. They're just basically trying to find people to sell to. So maybe they've joined the group just for leads, not to give any value. And another problem is a lot of these people in these groups are not from tier 1 countries. I've got nothing against people outside tier 1 countries, but if you are selling a high ticket affiliate marketing product of $500, $1,000, a lot of these people just cannot afford it, so they're not going to be good leads. So you have to have a good look at these if you want to add them. I would not add. That is a big mistake. Just have a look and see what they're doing with their profile. But there's a lot of problems with these private groups. Let's just choose another one. This one's, I think, is a busy one. When was the last time they posted? Well, this is May, so this is not really engaging. I mean, all you get basically in here is people promoting their stuff. And a lot of it has got quite a few comments, which is good. Now you see, this is all hat, 5th of August 22, and this is what happens with these groups. I think I was a member in this one. I think this is an active group. Yes, you can see it posted 3 days ago, 5 days ago. But it's generally people who are actually selling stuff. That's all it is. No real engagement. Let's have a look at the people. Look at the new members, new to the group. See, he's got Pakistan, not a great place. Can they afford a high ticket affiliate marketing product? Probably not. So you've got to be very, very careful. Pakistan again. So a lot of these people joined 5 hours ago. Can we have a look at one of these people? Let's have a look. Emma Eleanor. Let's just look at the main profile. 3 days ago, and I think that is it. Now this could be a fake profile because there's no engagement there. There's nothing really. Only got 93 friends, so that is a bit risky. This one to me, I don't think that's a real person. So you've got to be very careful. You see, when you're doing lead generation with things like this. Now, one of the best places to find good Facebook groups is on Google. Would you believe it? So if I put high ticket affiliate marketing Facebook groups on here, then you will find some decent groups, and a lot of people have actually done all the hard work for you. See the best 12 affiliate marketing groups on Facebook, and you'll probably find that most of these are private groups, better groups. Let's have a look. Affiliate Marketing Ninjas, 33,000 members. Let's see what this takes us to. Private group, 32,000 members. One new post today, 16,000. So it's generally active, but these would be better if you can just join these private groups instead of public groups. It's just better quality, and that's what you want. It's not about quantity; it's all about quantity. So have a look at Facebook. They got some good places where you can go to join your group. Just put in your niche and Facebook group. Let's see where this takes us. Oh, this is Jamie Gardner's. See, there you go. This is a very, very, very good group. Private group, but a lot of members, I think 5.4 thousand. This guy knows his stuff. A good affiliate marketer, I've good members in here who you can make friends with, and obviously they'll be very, very good leads. But so there's my choice for you. Just make sure that generally they are private groups. Look for new members, because new members means they're active right now, they're interested right now in what are your niches. Obviously we're in the affiliate marketing niche, but that is a way to do it. Just go join the private groups, engage in the groups, and if you're doing paid groups, if you're a member of paid groups, add content in the group, and as soon as people engage, give them a friend request. Don't contact them on the messenger because they may report you. Just do that way. I know it's a long way around, but it would be a good lead from somebody who has spent maybe a few $1,000s already in this space. Another one worth looking out for is sponsored posts. I just typed in entrepreneurship, which covers a whole heap of things, obviously, including affiliate marketing. But a lot of these get a lot of engagement. So we've got 407 comments, 827 shares, and 30,000 have engaged on this sponsored ad. So you can say, I know this girl, she does start an Amazon business, buy and sell on Amazon, but people are coming on here because they know it's a side hustle, and affiliate marketing is a side hustle, so you may find some good leads in here as well. Let's have a look at another one. Super Affiliate AI. This comes up every now and again. This sponsored ad, and you can see there 616 people have engaged, 206,000 comments, and 121 shares. So these are all potential leads in here which you can add. Now obviously you can't engage with everybody. Just make them a friend, maybe engaging on their content. It's just going to take too long. You've got 5,000 spaces for friends on your profile, so if I see something like this, engagement like this, I would basically add, but maybe between 10 and 20 a day, otherwise you're going to get flagged. And another strategy I've found which works really, really well is anybody which is offering a free gift or a lead magnet in their posts. Look at Daniel Chow here. He's got recorded a 12-minute training, and this was posted recently, 8th of September, and 43 people have engaged and 61 people have commented, and a lot of these people would have commented for this information. But just look at the colour of this, the purple with the white text, very, very simple. Something that you could do, just put together a very simple lead magnet and you get a lot of engagement. These would be really, if you're in the affiliate marketing space, these would be really interesting to add anything from here. And just one more, I can just remember the colour. Here's one more from a different person, Andre Marvau. I hope I've said his name right. I've just created a new training sharing one skill that will skyrocket your affiliate commissions, not what you think. Who wants it? And you can see here 20 people have engaged with 50 comments, and this was the 1st of September. There's the colour, there's the text, so look out for these. posts which are offering a lead magnet, free gift lead magnet. You get a lot of engagement on these, and these will be good leads in that niche, which is affiliate marketing, obviously, Facebook affiliate marketing. And that is it. I hope you got some takeaway from this. If you're interested in the best affiliate marketing training program that I have seen in 23 years, then you may be interested in this. If you're looking for the best affiliate marketing training program, then I would recommend you have a look at Tao. It's 5-star rated, perfect for beginners and more experienced affiliate marketers. It's a perfect choice for making money from affiliate sales, passive income streams, and advertising revenue. This is the best affiliate marketing training program I have seen in my 23 years in affiliate marketing. That's how good it is, but please check it out for yourself. The link is in the description.